Brad Hall here, and today I've got a lot to share. I've got the brand new Yeezy 700 bright blue colorway. I'm gonna talk about that shoe, the colors. I'll show you how it looks on foot. And then, as you can see, I've got two other Yeezy 700 colorways here. We are gonna be taking a look at this group together. All of that is coming up just ahead. This bright blue colorway, this is the second colorful take on this classic up here. That is the Wave Runner. The 700 Sun, that came out just a little bit earlier this year. I did make a video on that one, so I will put that in the description. If you want to check it out, go ahead, give it a watch, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and all of that stuff. Now this shoe does borrow some details from that Wave Runner, just like that Sun colorway did. You'll see the same black suede, the bluish, and that kind of foresty green color. And then similar, but not exactly the same, you've got these orange ovals in the back. So it's almost like Kanye and Adidas. They're recycling components from this Wave Runner and using them in new models. That is a very cool concept. You don't want to waste materials, so I'm glad they're using those little fabric scraps on new colorways. The bright blue pair takes that recycling concept and it goes even further because this midsole, this beautiful orange midsole, that is the same midsole on this Sun colorway. Maybe they just made too many orange midsoles and you are gonna see that midsole on additional shoes that we haven't even seen yet, or maybe even this recycling of components, it gets even more creative. That would definitely be something I would keep my eye out for. So anyway, this bright blue colorway, it is a complete winner. I talked about it previously in that Sun video, but it's almost like a dyed version of the Wave Runner. I really like that concept. I hope it keeps happening. And I also hope we keep getting interesting 700 colorways. There are a lot more in that photo of all those samples. I hope we see more of those. Now, if I were to rank these three colorways, I would give the top slot to the Wave Runner. It is an instant classic, in my opinion, one of the best shoes that came out in these recent years. So that is number one. And then in that second spot, I am gonna go with the Yeezy Sun colorway. It's such a nice colorway, and I do like the subtlety of it. Not too much contrast, and it makes those Wave Runner bits really stand out. So that is my second place. And then you've got this bright blue colorway, and I am putting that also in second place. I can't pick between these two. They're both so interesting. So both get second place. So that's my show for today. This bright blue colorway. Like I said, it is a winner. I hope everyone going after this shoe has luck on their side. I hope you found all of this info pretty helpful. And thanks as always for watching.